The percentage of blood composed of RBCs is called the hematocrit. In a healthy adult male, a normal hematocrit is approximately 30%. The liquid matrix of blood in which the formed elements are suspended interstitial fluid. Which plasma protein is primarily responsible for maintaining osmotic pressure? Hemoglobin. The vast majority of plasma proteins are synthesized by which organ? Bone marrow. In adults, the primary site for hematopoiesis is the lymph nodes. The average lifespan of RBCs is approximately 120 days. Old and damaged erythrocytes are removed from circulation by the liver and spleen. Which type of leukocyte is the most abundant in a normal blood differential count? Lymphocyte. Now, which leukocyte is typically the first to arrive at the site of bacterial infection? Neutrophil. The mineral ion essential for multiple steps in the coagulation cascade is potassium. An abnormal stationary blood clot within a blood vessel is termed as atheroma. Which vitamin is essential for normal clotting factor synthesis? Vitamin K. The iron in hemoglobin is present in which form? Ionic form. Platelets are derived from megakaryocytes. The normal WC count per microliter of blood is approximately option B 5 to 10,000. Which anticoagulant is secreted naturally by the basophils and mast cells? Heparin. A rise in eosinophil count is most commonly associated with allergic reactions. RH incompatibility during pregnancy may lead to erythroblastosis fetalis. The normal blood volume in an average adult is about The plasma protein that mainly transports iron is transferrin. Which type of WC differentiate into macrophages in tissues? Monocytes. Which factor decreases hemoglobin's affinity for oxygen? Increased 2,3-BPG. Now, which clotting factor is also known as prothrombin? Factor 2. The clotting pathway activated by the tissue factor is called the extrinsic pathway. The main site of fetal hematopoiesis after the first trimester is liver. Interesting one. The pigment that gives stool its brown color derived from the bilirubin is stercobilin. The buffy coat layer in centrifuge blood mainly contains WBC and platelets. Which blood group has no antigens on RBCs? O blood group. The normal platelet count is (150,000 to 400,000). Breakdown of hemoglobin produces bilirubin, which is excreted mainly via liver and bile. The normal pH of human blood is 7.35 to 7.45. Why do red blood cells have no nucleus? For more oxygen storage. The universal donor blood group is Give your answer in the comments.